If you don't speak English and want to make money, this is the right place. So let's explore the best side hustles for you. The first one is stock media. I see many people from all over the world showing their talent, which is why I have started taking photos and uploading them to stock websites. The best part about stock media is that your one photo or video can be uploaded on over 10 websites. So you have multiple mediums to make money. A DSLR or mirrorless camera is effective, but you can start with your phone. I have been using my phone to take photos and they are getting approved. I have been in Australia for 8 years and I still buy and sell items. I made thousands from PlayStation 5 and iPhones. I have made hundreds from FM transmitters and earbuds. Buying and reselling items works because A. Some people need money as soon as possible, so they sell items cheaper. B. Sometimes people don't like to wait on shipment, so they seek items locally. C. Some people don't know items' market prices, so they put items on local marketplaces for cheaper. If you have money, you can buy items on those types of platforms and sell them on local platforms. You can also buy stuff on websites like AliExpress and sell them locally on the local marketplaces because people don't like to wait months for their product to arrive. Like stock media, print on demand is something where you don't have to speak English. I have been designing t-shirts and mugs for a month. Well, I haven't made a single penny yet, but I'm confident because more and more people are finding my products. In this method, all you do is develop some designs in tools like Canva, then go to Printify, attach your designs to a range of products and publish them on Etsy. Print on demand is a bit difficult, but it's all a numbers game. The more products you publish, the more chances of sales. Okay, labor is expensive in those countries, which is why companies find and hire people in nations where labor is cheaper. This is where freelancing comes into play. You will need to communicate with clients in English, but with translators, it's not difficult. You will sign up on those websites and create gigs in your expertise. To win this way, you must do a few projects at a lower price. But as you grow, you will get more orders. You can build a team in your own city and give other people work. Okay, here are my favorite money-making ways. When I made my first dollar online, it was from my YouTube channel in a different language. In fact, the videos did not have any voice. They had a few pictures of Bollywood actors. And look at this channel. This channel does not have any voice. It's just music and a video, and it has over 500,000 subscribers. And the channel is not even old. There are so many YouTubers in different languages and they are making a lot of money. All you need is a little bit of creativity and amazing thumbnails. Another approach if you don't want to make videos is blogging. You will need to type in your language, but it's worth it. You will choose a great topic and make videos or write articles. Or better, make videos and write articles on the same topics to maximize your revenue. Let's move on. There's one specific industry where there are never enough creators. We find games everywhere in the world, and with so many games releasing every day, we need gamers to live stream on Twitch. If you play video games alone or with friends, you can create a Twitch account. You don't even need to speak, or you can speak in your own language so people from your country will join. Some of the ways to make money from Twitch are subscriptions, donations, and merchandise. Okay, this method needs investment, but my friends buy second-hand cars and rent them to people who do Uber Eats and stuff. All you do is buy cars and find people in your city. It may take time to master the process because buying a car is difficult, but as you rent cars and make money, you will gain experience and buy and rent more cars. Okay, one of the easiest ways to make money is conducting surveys. Surveys are great, especially for those where the currency is low. That's because each survey can pay you enough to live a day or even a week. All you do is go to those websites and register and start answering questions. Some surveys are long and boring, but pay good money. Alright, the easiest way to make money is by investing in stocks. Stocks are pretty much everywhere. Just a quick Google search will tell you about brokers in your country. If you have some money that you won't touch for at least a year, investing can bring as much as 15% returns. You will need to research companies to get the maximum profit though. Okay, those side hustles were for non-English speakers. You must check out this video next to find out the 18 most popular ways to make money online. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time. Take care.